Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahillazi an'amana bi ni'matil iman wal islam. Wassalamu wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrofil anbiya wal mursalin sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'du. Hello everyone, my name is Shakira and I'm from Selandi. And today I will tell you about the Prophet Ayub alaihi salam. Everyone, do you know who the Prophet Ayub was? The Prophet Ayub was the most faithful prophet in facing the trials that Allah gave him. So we must be patient people like the Prophet Ayub. Prophet Ayub lived in an area called Hara around Shams with his wife and children. Prophet Ayub alaihi salam was a very rich prophet in his country. He had large agricultural land and lots of livestock even though he was very rich. But he never forgot to be grateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He gave alms to people and gave jobs to poor people. 20 years passed. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave the Prophet Ayub a trial. First, all his crops and livestock did. However, the Prophet Ayub remained diligent in worship and prayer. And the next order, his 12 children did. Prophet Ayub was said to be left behind by his children. When Prophet Ayub woke up, his body was covered in wounds. Even, even so, Prophet Ayub remained grateful and surrendered to Allah. Day by day, the Prophet Ayub's illness became worse, so the people avoided him and were afraid of catching his illness. He just kept quiet and patient. Finally, he left the country and lived in a place far from residential areas. His wife, Rahma, remains loyal and accompanies him. He continued to pray for healing. Suddenly, a voice came from the sky as the mentioned in the Quran. Surah Al says, "Stand your feet. This is called cool water for bathing and drinking." Hearing that, Prophet Ayub stamped his feet on the floor and water appeared for bathing and drinking. When the Prophet Ayub's wife had just entered the house, she was surprised to see a man in the Prophet Ayub's room. Prophet Ayub also said that Allah had cured his illness. The next day, the news about the healing of the Prophet Ayub reached the ears of the people. They came in large numbers and brought gifts. Then Allah gave him well double the wealth he had before. Then Allah gave a gift to the wife of the Prophet Ayub. Then she became pregnant with twins several times. This is the end of the story of the Prophet Ayub who was given repeat test from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The wisdom that we can take from this story is first, we must always be patient when faced with trials. Second, innama al-usri yusra. Behind difficulties, there must be ease, as Allah promised in the Quran. Third, don't uh, forget to always pray and strive for Allah because Allah always listen to the prayers of His faithful servant. Servant. Allahu a'lam bisalam. Well, maybe that's all the story about the story. That's all the story about the story of the puppet Ayub for me. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time, everyone. Bye bye.